First one, they are saying when frequency of the lines of hydrogen spectrum, the lines separated one another rapidly. Again, lines get separated. You know, separate when again one line gets separated. Right? Second one, when frequency of the lines of the hydrogen spectrum increases, they come closer rapidly. Again, one is here, mean it says second one is here. The third one come closer here. Fourth one will come even closer to that. Fifth one will come even closer to that. So that is correct. When you are going to this side, what will happen? When lines are coming closer, mean what's increasing? Energy increasing. Frequency increasing. Lambda decreasing. The frequency difference between successive lines of hydrogen spectrum is constant. Frequency difference, see, this difference, is it constant? This difference is this. This difference is this much. These differences are different, not constant. They are different. Next one, the hydrogen produces emission spectrum only. They come wrong. When hydrogen, when it induces, when it goes up, it absorbs energy and it goes up. When it absorbs energy and when it's going up, it creates the absorption spectrum. In absorption spectrum, how you can see that? You will see in light background, dark lines. Absorption spectrum, how you see? Light background, dark lines. And when this atom, when it come down again, it will start to release energy. Then it will produce what spectrum? Emission spectrum. Releasing energy and emitting emission spectrum. So emitting what you can remember are emitting light. You will remember this line should emit light. These lines will come in bright color. These lines will be emitting light color line. Bright lines in dark background. You can remember like this. Emitting lights. Emitting lights mean it is glowing. These lines are glowing. So the background should be dark. Only one is colorful, either background or the lines. Here, then this one's opposite. If you remember this automatically comes. So it produces both the spectrum. Make a product matak win I will give you a work. Eka karan. Mama line set take at denang eka Haryana, you all draw the series. Meන්න මේ series ටික මට draw කරලා දෙන්න. හරිද? මෙන්න මේක. හරියට බලන්න ඉන්න. Right? But first of all, we'll think before drawing. I'll put A, B, C, D, E for this. A, B, C, D. Yes. මේක දාන්න. F, G, H. මෙන්න මේ ටික විතර you have to draw here. හරිද? මේ lines එක විතරයි. සමහරවිට මේ හිතන්නත් බෑ. දැන් කොහොමද draw කරන්න කියලා බලමු. උඹලගේ knowledge එකත් ඉතින් polish වීම කරලා එනකොට. පිළිසි. මෙන්න මේ lines එක මෙන්න මේකට කෙලින්ම draw කරන්න. Draw this up and down. Page එක බලන්න එපා. අනේ සෝඩක් යනවා තාත්තගේ සල්ලි කියලා. එහෙම බලන්න එපා. හරිද? Draw this. When you're coming down, the gap should increase. Energy levels gap should increase when you're coming down. Right? හරියට බලන්න කොච්චර clients I have drawn කියලා. ඒක බලන්න ඉන්න. හරි මෙතන මෙච්චරයි දාලා තියෙන්නේ n1 n2 n3 n4 n5 and n6 there are only 6 energy levels මෙන්න මේක තියෙන්නේ UV එකේ මේක තියෙන්නේ visible light එකේ ඒක තමයි තියෙන clue එක visible light හරිද මේක UV එකේ තියෙන spectrum එකක් මේක visible light එකේ තියෙන spectrum එකක් ඔය දෙක විතරයි දීලා තියෙන්නේ draw හරි මේ ලස්සන ඇඳලා draw කරන්න ටක් ගාලා පුතාලා you have to see මෙච්චරයි Pattam easy to do this. This belong to UV means who is this? What series? Lyman series. Who is this? Balmer series. I thought you have to see lines are getting close. These lines are getting close to each other. These lines are getting close to each other means when you're going to this side, what's happening for energy? Lines are getting close to each other. Energy increases. Lines are getting close mean energy increases. You should remember. You have to see just one theory. The lines are getting close or away. When you're going to this side, lines are getting close. So energy increases. Energy increases means frequency increases. Energy and frequency goes together. Lambda goes opposite. Reduces. You have to say to get the highest energy. Who has the highest energy out of A, B, C, D, E? E should have the highest energy. When you get the highest energy, when you travel a long way only, you get the highest energy. A should release the minimum energy. E should release the maximum energy. But it should end in which level? First level. Lyman series mean all the arrows should end in level 1. So he should release the minimum. He should only go for the minimum level. Again, A should go for the minimum level. It should come down. Then this should go more than that. More than that means it will go product more than that. This is B. C will go to other level. D will go to other level. E will go for the other level. Why E should be the maximum? It should only go for the maximum. පොඩ්ඩක් ඉන්න තාම ලියන්න යන්න එපා. හරියට ආගන්න so many things I'm going to tell about this. අග්ගල මතක් කරලා දෙන්න. එක එක්කවත් ලියන්න එපා. Right. Then this one. No මේ කට්ටිය කොහෙද stop වෙන්න ඕනේ? First level එක. Sorry, second level එක. Then this one should have the minimum. Everything going energy is going for this side mean මේගොල්ලන්ගේ increasing side මේගොල්ලන්ගේ decreasing side එහෙම යන්නේ increasing mean everyone will go for increasing side ඒක පේනවනේ these are getting close no එතකොට this one will stop in which level second level so you have to start from the minimum මෙන්න මේ minimum එකෙන් තමයි you have to start ඒක තමයි F other one මේක G මේක H now පුතා you should understand what's actually here මේ මොනවද වෙන්නේ what are these lines this line mean if I tell this point starts here ends here this point starts here this line to this line energy difference is this no is the energy difference between these two lines energy difference if I take that one as P this energy difference as P mean that energy difference only here as P what is the energy difference between here and here Q කියලා if I take අන්න මේක තමයි between B and C energy difference only you get this see energy difference only reduces what get reduces actually energy difference if they say energy reduces keyword no not energy but energy difference get reduces for left to right energy increases energy difference reduces understood the point and one more thing puta see this Q and see this one we'll take this one QR කියලා this is RQR මේක will take S කියලා this difference will take T කියලා then what you can tell about this difference and this difference Q and T both are same ඒ කියන්නේ this length and this length both should be what same කියන්නේ this energy amount and this energy difference amount should be same amount difference are same not the energy understood the point these can be MCQ points now did you understand the spectrum 100% අග්ගල it got to your head ඒ හරියට සෙට් වුණාද මතක වෙලානේ තිබ්බේ it was in your head very good හරි ටගල විදිය දාගන්න පුතා Spectrum okay now? Okay. All right. You have to go on. Okay. Can you reach by 9? On, no? Correct. This also okay. If you, in case if you have started from here, in a methaninum, that also fine. Right? Right.